the first lily of the season. It bloomed just this morning. I wasn't out here to watch it, but yesterday it was not bloomed. It looked more like one of these things. And remember, this is it's level with my head. This thing is as tall as I am, and I'm about 5'6". So, isn't that beautiful? I can't even see inside of it without pulling it over. But all of these are about to bloom. I'm so excited. I hope we don't get any storms that mess them up. And then the other here's my ajuga again. The other patch of ditch lilies are over here. And there's one over here that's about to bloom. This one, let's see, let me get over here. This one is about to bloom. I bet this one blooms either by this evening if we get some sunlight, or maybe tomorrow if we get some sunlight. And here's another one that's about to bloom. Aren't those great? These are right outside the door of my studio. Look at all the stands. I've just got hundreds of these. This is so exciting. I don't think I've ever had a crop like this. There sure is a lot of them. Aren't they pretty? Okay, let's go look at these. These are pretty too. These don't get as much sun because of that crepe myrtle that needs to be something done with it. But those are so pretty. And here's the tall one. I have to lift the camera up to be able to see that. This one's about up to my nose. This one is up to my forehead. That one's taller than me now. This one right here. Good heavens. These are all looking at the sun. They love the sunshine. something's gotten in here and knocked one of these down. Several flowers won't bloom off of that now. That's really cool.